Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Nabiilabee, and if you're new here, then hi, subscribe, welcome to the family. And if you are returning, then hi, welcome back. Thank you for joining us, joining me on this little YouTube journey that I'm doing. Anyway, today's video is going to be a revamp of our guest room slash Ahmed's room, and I wanted to do something a little extra for this room. It is getting dark, that's the only downside. I really hope we have enough light. I've got quite a lot of stuff to do. Let's hope this goes to plan. But anyway, we'll make it work somehow. So first thing I'm going to do is, so this room was all grey and white to start off with, and that's how we did it, and I really like it, but I really want to add some colour. I don't know if I'm going to like it. We're going to see how it goes. And this is, so Ahmed likes to do a lot of work here. I come when Nazmia is sleeping, because she sleeps in my bedroom. I like to come here and do my work, and I just wanted it to be a little bit more inspiring, a little bit more fun. So this is what it looks like so far. What do you guys think? I don't want to hang it up because I want to be able to change the prints easily and stuff, and like I want to change up the positioning and everything. I haven't found any cushions yet, so I need to go in and get some cushions to match this. But I love this whole theme of like the greys, the emerald greens, and the like the camely brown shades. I think they're so gorgeous. It's not really camel, it's more like caramel. Oh, it's so gorgeous. It's like my favorite thing. So yeah, okay, let's do the bedding now. Also just in time, because it's actually starting to get dark now, and I really did not want to use any artificial lights because I just love this room. Has really good lighting in it, especially during the day. It has amazing light because the window's so big. This room is one of the few rooms in the house that is actually pretty much almost finished. I just think what actually needs to be done in here. Yeah, I think this room is pretty much complete now. I'd like to one day steam the curtains. That's like my dream to do. But there's always something else that's more important that needs doing. And I got so lucky that this was in IKEA, because this color is so hard to find, and surprisingly they had it, so it matches everything really well. Also, I'm sorry if there's too much noise. It's simply because of the fact that I've got the windows open so it doesn't get too hot in here. I'm actually so excited about doing up this room, because as much as I love white and I love everything being clean, you get bored of it really fast, but then I get so bored of prints. So what I realized was like having block colors works really well, and then you can add prints. Like when we were living at the apartment, I always used to get printed bed sheets, but I am just so over them, and I feel like after a few months I just get so bored of them, and then I ended up having loads. That's why with our bed I just keep it as white, and I had this room as white as well. Then I got a bit bored and did a bit of grey, but then it just got too grey, so I thought, why not go for a plain pop colour. I love the way this colour looks with the grey already, because it's really, this colour is very luxurious, like it's not cheap looking, if that makes sense, and it just adds the right colour into this room. Oh my goodness, I am just so in love with this whole look. Don't know if I want to have cushions. Anyway, this is the final look, and I did want it to be very like not super clean, but like worn in and like really boho. I think, I don't even know what this style was called, but I just really like it, and I have a really nice throw to go with this actually. Okay, so I bought some pieces that I did want to use on here. This is also from IKEA. This is just a knit throw, super gorgeous throw. Hi guys, so I just wanted to quickly mention that all these posters and all the frames are from Poster Store, and make sure you check it out. I also have a discount code, so check it down below. They're really well priced. They've got really cool and unique prints, and there's loads of different ones and different colors, and there's quotes and all kinds of stuff if you want to go check it out. This was, by the way, gifted to me. I just want to let you guys know. So I'm not sponsored, this isn't paid, this is just they've gifted me a voucher to buy some prints that I actually wanted to buy anyway, and I wanted some frames, so I just got this, and I thought this is a perfect opportunity to do up this room and add some personality into the room. I think that's what was missing. A lot of personality was missing, and I love the end result. It just looks so good. I did move the mirror because I was trying to take some pictures and stuff, but yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you liked about it. Let me know if you want me to do more videos like this, and I want to do more home, like we're doing renovations as well. They're not finished yet, but I will be uploading those. But I also want to do more like, you know, style a room, put things together, all that kind of jazz. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.